Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit or remove the sale badge from WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. The reason I'm using this article that you see on my screen right now is because I don't have the money to purchase the WordPress subscription, so I don't have access to WooCommerce. I really hope you guys don't mind, but the steps for this are very easy and very simple to follow. I do recommend you check out this article to get any more advice if you don't find it in this tutorial. However, let's get started right now. Now, we're going to need to be editing our PHP files, and the way you do that is by going into your theme folder and going to your custom PHP file, or just go into functions PHP and add your custom PHP code there. And you can also add any custom CSS you might want into the style.css file as well. Now that I've covered that, we can move on to this. Now, to remove the sale label from products, what you need to do is go ahead and copy this code over here into the PHP file, as I've mentioned. Now, of course, these are all comments, this orange text, so you don't have to include that. However, I would just recommend you copy this to clipboard and paste it just for ease of use. And once you paste that there and save the changes, the sale badge should be gone. Now, to rename or translate the sale label, you just add this code right over here. As I mentioned, just go to the PHP file and add this code near the end. And once you do and save it, it should modify the sale button or the sale badge very, very easily. You can also add or use some custom plugins such as the Woo Customizer or Yith WooCommerce Badge Management, which is very easy to use. However, I'm not sure if any of them are free. There are money back guarantees. As you can see, this one is 14 days, this one is 30 days. However, I would just stick with the PHP editing since that is for free and it is relatively simple to follow. You just need to add the PHP code and that is pretty much it. There are other plugins. I'm not exactly sure what plugins those would be, where you can manage your product pages, where you can remove the sale badges and sale banners if you so choose. So I would recommend you do some research. I do also have other tutorials of similar things where you can edit certain pages using different plugins, so I would recommend you check it out. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.